Today we'll discuss about heterocyclic chemistry part 3. What is furan? Furan is a heterocyclic organic compound consisting of a 5-membered aromatic ring with 4 carbon atoms and 1 oxygen. The class of compounds containing such rings are also referred to as furans. Furan is the oxygen containing counterpart of pyrrole. It occurs together with its methyl homologous in wood tar. Its barriers produce a green color when brought in contact with a pine splint moistened with concentrated hydrochloric acid. Structure of furan. Furan is aromatic because one of the lone pair of electrons on the oxygen atom is delocalized into the ring, creating a 4n+2 aromatic system similar to benzene. Because of the aromaticity, the molecule is flat and lacks desired double bond. The other lone pair of electrons of the oxygen atom extends in a plane of the flat ring system. The sp2 hybridization is to allow one of the lone pair of oxygen reside in a p orbital and thus allow it to interact with the pi system. Due to its aromaticity, furan's behavior is quite dissimilar to that of the more typical heterocyclic ethers such as tetrahydrofuran. Some different representation model of furan. First is split structure of furan with aromaticity indicates by dashed bond. Second, ball and stick model of furan molecule. Numbered skeletal structure of furan. Space filling model of furan molecules. Furan have 4 carbon and 1 oxygen. All are sp2 hybridized. sp2 hybridization is planar. It makes a planar furan ring structure. Each ring atom also contains unhybridized p orbital that is perpendicular to the plane of sigma bond. Here p orbitals are parallel to each other, so overlapping between p orbitals is possible. The total number of non-bonding electron are 6. The resonance of 6 electron follows the Huckel rules, so the furan is aromatic. Preparation and synthesis of furan. Industrially, furan is manufactured by the palladium catalyzed decarboxylation of furfural or by the copper catalyzed oxidation of 1,3-butadiene. In the laboratory, furan can be obtained from furfural by oxidation to furan to carboxyl acid followed by decarboxylation. It can also be prepared directly by thermal decomposition of pentose containing material from diacetosuccinic ester. When diacetosuccinic ester is heated with diluted sulfuric acid 2,5-dimethyl furan 3,4-dicarboxylic acid is obtained. Paulnor synthesis. The acid catalyzed cyclization of 1,4-dicarbonyl compound is presence of acid. Fiest binary synthesis. It is organic reaction between alpha haloketones and beta dicarbonyl compounds to substituted furan compounds. This condensation reaction is catalyzed by base. Physical property of furans. Compound name is furan. IUPAC name is 1,4-epoxy buta 1,3-diene. Synonym is oxazole. Appearance of furan is colorless and volatile liquid. Furan is slightly soluble in water and soluble in organic solvent. Molecular formula is C4H4O. Boiling point 31.3 degrees Celsius and melting point is -85 degrees Celsius. Chemical properties of furan. Furan behaves as resonance hybrid. It appears that structure 1, 2 and 3 are the main contributing structures since 2 substitution occurs readily. 4th and 5th would account for 3 substitution when the 2 and 5th positions are both occupied. Calculation of the bond lengths and comparison with the measured values show that first contributes about 85% to the resonance hybrid. It is considerably more reactive than benzene in electrophilic substitution reaction due to the electron donating effects of oxygen heteroatom. Examination of the resonance contributors show the increased electron density of the electron leading to increased rate of electrophilic substitution. Reaction of protonated furan. The hydrolysis of furan involves nucleophilic addition of water to an initially formed cation, giving rise to open chain 1,4-dicarbonyl compounds or derivatives. Bromination. If the bromination is conducted in an alcohol, trapping of the intermediate by carbon 5 addition of the alcohol, then alcoholysis of 2-carbon bromide produce 2,5-di-alkoxy 2,5-dihydrofurans as mixture of cis and trans isomers. Mercuration. Mercuration takes place very readily with replacement of hydrogen or carbon dioxide from an acid. Acetylation. Carboxylic acid anhydrides or aldehydes normally requires the presence of a Lewis acid for Friedel-Crafts acylation of furan. trifluoroacetic anhydride with react alone. Reaction with nucleophilic reagent. Simple furan do not react with nucleophilics by addition or by substitution. Nitro substituents active the displacement of halogen. Halogenation. Furan reacts vigorously with chlorine and bromine at room temperature to give polyhalogenated products, but does not react at all with iodine. Medicinal uses and compounds of furan. Furan used in the treatment of advanced cases of skin troubles such as athlete's foot, as a wash in poultry house to kill lice and other parasites. Effective against specific organisms that cause urinary tract infection. It is also used as a preservatives, disinfectants and therapeutic agents. Furan is used as a starting point to other specialty chemicals. Furan used in the production of 2-bromofuran, 2-nitrofuran, 2-furan sulfonic acid, tetrahydrofuran. Furan in coffee. Furan is highly volatile compound present in many foods and drinks. In coffee, as part of the volatile aroma components generated during roasting of green coffee beans. From roasting the cup, furan levels decrease because of its highly volatile and low water solubility. Furan is a possible human carcinogen with major occurrence in coffee. Thank you.